Yo, what it is, guys? What's up? We got the Civic halfway in the garage, and today we'll be putting on Mugen Visors for the Civic. I've had this for a while. I kind of just been procrastinating on putting them on. So I've already unboxed this, and the packaging is definitely good. Okay. Check out the packaging though. These two have blue tape and these two have red tape. So this is all the hardware it came with. It also came with double-sided tape. I think it's on the visor already. Yeah, see, this is double-sided tape. But then Mugen also provided this hardware so you could securely bolt it onto the doors. That way it'll stay on and not fly off on you while you're on the highway. But the issue is they came with instructions all in Japanese. This is crazy. I mean, I could probably go off these pictures, but it looks pretty detailed. And yeah, this is definitely something I don't want to rush. Well, anyways, I downloaded this app. I think it's called Google Translate, and you can literally hold your phone over a picture or, you know, this manual, and it'll literally just like translate this while you're just holding the camera over it. And everything looks legit. It's pretty cool. So I'm gonna take a moment to go over the instructions in English, and I'm gonna show you guys how to install these Mugen visors onto the Civic. More than likely it's gonna be similar to any other car you have. So if you got Mugen visors for your car, this is how you put it on. Yeah. Yo, I'm trying so hard to be careful, but man, check out the fitment. Look at this. It's like right here. And you go all the way to the other side. And bam. Oh shoot. Yo, this thing looks super good. Woo. So I made the mistake of taking off this weather strip right here. You gotta take off this inside one right here. That way these hooks, these hangers right here, can go inside and hook into place. And then you would just like tuck this trim back in and bam. Oh shoot. Yo, I just got the visors on one side. Woo, dang, yo. This thing is legit. Sheesh. It definitely gives the Civic some style to it. I really love the fitment on this. This thing is perfect, man. You know this is legit when they have like little hangers. And that's the thing, they have two different brackets. See, they have brackets A and B. They look really similar, right? But brackets A would be the first 3 hangers, and bracket B would be this last one right here. To me, it's pretty crazy of how much research and development they put into just putting in some door visors. The fitment is perfect. These hangers make it stay in place for sure. And yo, check this out. You see that? Ooh, yo, that's pretty awesome. Sheesh. So aside from the sophisticated instructions, it was actually intimidating, but it's really simple to install. You just gotta know how to put these brackets in. This is what had me lost. This is like a adhesive promoter, and I had no idea how to really use this. What I did was I spread it where the double-sided tape would be, and then I laid it on there. But I'm not sure if I'm supposed to put this on first and then put the adhesive promoter. I'm lost. I tried watching some YouTube videos on how to use it, but this one's different because it's like a cloth. The ones I've seen was like a little squirt bottle, and you like squirt it onto the adhesive. Who knows? But yo, driver's side is done. Let's do the passenger side. Yeah. So all you do is put this on the back side and push this through the hole, and it clips it into place. And when you press it in, check that out. See, just holds it. Noise! Alright, so first we gotta pull out this little weather strip right here. A little tricky, but if you're confident and believe in yourself, you can make this happen. All I'm doing is just pulling this outward, and it comes right out. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. We gotta clean the surface area. Don't forget to hit it with some soap. Okay. Wipe all that nasty stuff off. Yo. I think this thing used to have window visors because this looks like adhesive. Ooh. Hit it with some water just to be safe. Okay, okay. Don't want none of that under your tape. You heard? And lastly, got some alcohol. I'm gonna just spray it on the towel and wipe it on the trim where the double-sided tape is gonna be sitting on. Somewhere right here. And all of this. All right, make sure you peel off this little backing a little bit so you'll have room to make adjustments. We just gotta make these hangers clip in and we're good. Oh. All right, so make sure you crimp it down a little bit. Not too hard, you don't want to break these. And bam, there you go. Front passenger side. Doing it. Like I said, I'm not really sure how to use this, but I'm just running it along the double-sided tape. Just on the edge. Who knows? It may or may not help. But I'm pretty sure the hangers and double-sided tape is enough. Yo, I was just finishing up on the Civic and look what just came in. Woo! Shout out to Terry, man, on Facebook. He hit me up and he collects these Hot Wheels and he had an extra one he just wanted to send over to me. So, yo man, thanks a lot for sending me this Prelude. My Prelude is originally white. It's dominantly red, but it does have a touch of blue to it. Yee! I'm just waiting on Hot Wheels to make a red one. And a white one. So far I have a silver, yellow, and blue one. Hot Wheels just came out with a new one. It's green. And I think it's a Dollar General exclusive. It's like this yellow one where it has a black hood. And yo, I almost didn't pick this one up because look, it's defective. It has this little chip in the side skirt. But I picked it up only because it was just $1. And when I posted it on Instagram, a lot of people were hitting me up like, yo man, you need to cop that. It might be worth something because some people like collecting defective Hot Wheels, so. I just want it because it's a Prelude. Yeah. So thanks again, Terry, for hooking me up with this blue Prelude. Oh yeah. We also got another package that came in. Oh shoot. Come on. Yeah. This is hard with one hand. And these are the grill pieces for the Civic. Yee. Well, these are just the two side pieces. This center one is not in stock anywhere. So we'll go ahead and slap those on in a bit. I gotta finish up with the windows. I gotta put these trim pieces back in. And I think that's all I gotta do. We'll see. All right, the visors are on, and man, look at that fitment though. Sheesh. This thing just lines up perfectly all the way around. This gap looks kind of big. I made it smaller on the passenger side. See, on the passenger side, it's just right here where the weather strip is at. But yo, pretty nice. But yo, let's throw on these grill pieces we just got in. I'm wondering if I could just like put it on there without having to take the bumper off. Oh, okay, I see it. Oh shoot. Sheesh. I know you can't tell on the camera, but that looks a lot better. You just got an open gap over here. Sheesh. Well, I'm gonna take the bumper off because I want to secure these pieces, because these were like, what, like 40 bucks each or something like that. So I ain't trying to lose them. Plus they make the bumper look complete.